Hello, welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In today's video, I want to give an update on the Trade 5 app. So the Trade 5 app, if you are unfamiliar with it, is an app that I created, and it is a premium app. So you can select a membership level of either $5 or $7 on my Patreon account. I'll leave the link down in the description, and you'll get access to this app, which is a mobile trade log to track all of your options trades. And so I want to go through a few updates that I've made this past week and that I have now officially released. So if you download this copy, then you'll be able to see all of these features. Now, there is a 30-day free trial for the app to see if you like it. And after the trial expires, you can sign up for a membership. And once you sign up for that membership, all of your trades that you put in during that 30-day trial will still be in there. So you're not going to lose any data if you decide to become a member. All right, so here we have the dashboard, and I just created a different account called Example that I'll be going through. So let's just tap on Example. You can see there's nothing here, zero profit, and so on. So what I'm going to now do is tap on this bottom right icon, the plus icon, to add a new trade. So now you can see the adding trade screen looks a little bit different. First of all, your account ID is at the top. You can just select one. We're going to do the example. And now you select the direction of the trade that you're going to be making. So let's say we're going to enter a cash secured put or a short put for this example. So we tap on short. Under trade type are all these different types of trades. So we're going to do a short put. Let's just say it's stock ABC. All right. Now we're going to select the enter date, and we're just going to say it's today for our example. The strike price, I don't know, $10. Expiration, we'll just say it's next Thursday. And then we did one of these, and let's say we receive 50 cents in premium. All right. So that's adding a trade really quickly, a cash secured put or a short put. Just scroll down to the bottom and add a trade. And it's going to be here on our Open Trades tab down here. So you can see ABC 10 put. If we click on that, you can see this is all of the information we just entered. All right, let's say we want to add a vertical spread. All right, so let's go to example, and we're going to be, let's say we're going to be long on a call vertical. So we are expecting the stock to increase in our example. So this is a long call vertical. It's also called a call debit spread or a bull call spread. All right. We're using calls, and we expect the stock to go up, and we're purchasing for a debit to enter this trade. So long call vertical, and we'll just use ABC once again, ABC, and then enter today. All right. So for the long strike, so this is the one that we're going to be purchasing. Let's say that's the 14 call that we're purchasing. And then the short strike, let's say it's a 15 call. All right, so we're buying the more expensive one, the 14, and we're selling the cheaper one, which would be the 15 strike price. So this is going to be a net debit. We scroll down, and we'll just say it again expires next Thursday, and our quantity, let's say we're going to buy 2 of these, and we bought them for, I don't know, 15 cents each. All right. So the rest of these fields that I'm leaving blank are ones that we would enter once we actually close the trade. You can add notes down here if you like, but otherwise I'm just going to leave it blank. So we're going to add trade, and we'll see it here. Here's our ABC 1415 call. And so we bought 2 call verticals for 15 cents each. And so let's just add one more trade for fun, and we can then take a look at how we close them. So we're going to tap on the add trade. So let's do a short iron condor. Okay, so just tap on Iron Condor, and the symbol, again, ABC, and the open date would be today. The long call, let's just say this is 21. The short call is 20. The short put, let's say that's 15. And then the long put would be right underneath that. All right, so what we have here for our Iron Condor is a 15 to 20 Iron Condor. So we need the stock in this example to stay between $15 and $20. So that's staying in between our short strikes. If it goes down to our 14, or if it goes above our 21, then we would be losing money in this example. So 15 to 20 Iron Condor, let's say the expiration is next Thursday, and we we sold one of these, and we received, I don't know, 30 cents for this particular trade. Okay, just as an example. So scroll down, tap add trade, and then we have it here. ABC 15 to 20 with the expiration date, sold 1 iron Condor at 30 cents each. All right, wonderful. Now that we've got the trades entered, let's say we want to close these trades. So we simply tap on an open trade and we go down here to the close date. Let's say we just closed it. Let's just say it's Monday, just to put in a date. All right. And the close price, we sold it for 50 cents. Let's say we're going to buy it back for 25 cents. We don't have any fees. We don't have any other income or losses to add. And we simply tap on done. And then you come to this screen. And so this is your completed trade screen. And you can see ABC, $25 in profit, 2.5% ROI. We sold it for 50, bought it back at 25. So that would be a 50% of our max profit. And then we have all of the details right here. Okay, let's do that again, and let's close our other trades. Let's close this vertical, this debit spread, and let's say we just closed it again on that date and the close price. All right, let's make this one a loss. So we purchased it at 15 cents. So let's say we bought it back at 10 cents. We're losing on this trade. All right, we tap on that, no fees, no other, and then we can tap on done. So you can see that we have a $10 loss, or about 67% loss, and then all of the details can be shown here on this close trade screen. All right, now let's close our iron Condor, our example iron Condor. We sold it for 30 cents. Let's say we closed it. So let's just say we closed it for 5 cents. So we should make $25 on this. $30 minus $5 would be $25. Tap on done, and indeed $25, 25% ROI, and then we closed it at 83.3% of the max profit. All of the details are shown here. And if we made a mistake, you can always tap on edit trade and then fix your mistake, and then just click on done, and it would update. Okay. If you want to delete the trade, you just tap on delete and then confirm it. With these trades also, I have a new feature I added just a few months ago. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can duplicate the trade in case you want to trade one just like it. It just saves a little bit of time entering all of the information again. All right, now once you have your trades closed, if you go to the closed trades, you have this list, and you can see the trades that we just closed here, the ABC, ABC, and ABC. And it tells you if you won or lost on those trades with these green or red arrows, and it tells you just a summary of each of those trades. Now, if we go to our dashboard, now that we have 3 closed trades, we can tap on example for our account. This is the month of June, and you can see how much profit we made. Now, it's showing no ROI because we haven't put in a goal yet. If we added in a goal for this account, then those values would calculate. But you could see our top 5 tickers. Well, the only one we traded in this example was ABC, so it shows up there. It shows the top trade types. We could also see the bottom trade type. That's what these controls mean, top and bottom 5 for tickers and for trade types. So the main update with this release of the Trade 5 app is the ability to add in many different trade types, both short and long directions. Now, one thing I do want to mention as well that I added to the app, one of the trade types, if you tap on add a trade and tap on trade type, if you go to the bottom, there's a custom down here. So let me tap on this, and let's just say we're going to do a short custom type of trade. You have your symbol, your open date, your expiration date, the quantity of these custom trades. Maybe it's a special type of spread, but something that you've created on your own. I wanted to have a place for that and keep it separate from any other types of trades. So the premium you received, because it's a short, we denoted it as short. Premium you received, close date, close price, and your fees, others, and notes. Now, if we just tap on long and made this a long custom, the premium now changes to open price. So what you purchased it for, and then of course your close price. So this really comes in handy if you have come up with your own type of trade or your own type of setup for your trading style, and you want to keep it separate from your other standard trade types. The other thing I want to mention is if you've been using the Trade 5 app, I've already converted all of your historical trades into these new trade types. So, the put credit spread now becomes the short put vertical, or the call debit spread now becomes the long call vertical. So I've already converted it over. So you should just have a seamless transition going into this new type of trade input on the Trade 5 app. So again, the link is down in the description to this app. free 30-day trial. And if you like the app afterwards, then you can either purchase a $5 a month membership, which is the Peridot membership, and that just gives you the basic app. And what the basic app is everything basically I just showed you. Now the premium app, which is $7 a month, that's the Jade membership. That also includes the cost basis integration, so you can keep track of the cost basis or your break evens of your stock purchases, as well as a lifetime total summary, so you can have a bigger picture of the amount of profit that you've made since you started putting in your trades. So if you have any questions about the app, then go ahead and leave a comment down below or catch me on Twitter at Trading5Talents. And if you'd like to keep up to date with not only the app, but also my trade log and all the other updates that I have regarding the wheel strategy and selling options premiums for monthly income, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you can catch all the updates. Until next time, trade wisely and take care.